Hi everyone, my name is Ketan Kumar from Samastipur, Bihar. I have completed BTech MEC from WT Kolkata. After completion of BTech, we know about Avian Technoserve Private Limited for IT training and learning program. Avian Technoserve is the best institute for training in IT sector. In during of training, we know about many things like CCNA, ITL, Windows administration, and many more things. After completion of training, we got selected as a semi-desk engineer in Progressive Texas Private Limited as a client of Max Hospital in Delhi with 3 LPA. I will thanks to our whole Avigent team and thanks to Priya ma'am and Sati ma'am for best guidance and special thanks to Prasenjit sir and Rahul Das sir for learning program and practical knowledge. Thank you so much, Avigent team.